We are sleeping after Spring Break 4, and we have to sleep through this shit. Get out of here. He's really mad. Told me he's really mad.
Shit.
He's like he's doing it on purpose.
Fuck me, I'm so fucked up, man. I'm not gonna be able to sleep in this shit, dude. This is just fucked up, dude.